Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to Grade 7 Hindi online class. Have you completed all? Lesson on meaning, sentence making, and question answer? Have you studied? I hope you have studied. Today we are going to learn lesson 2. The topic is Paropakari. It means benevolent. Do you know the meaning of benevolent? Yes, it means one who helps other. Will you help others? Yes, everybody help others such a way, isn't it? This is a story about the benevolent saint Tadichi. Did you hear this name? I think, don't know. He has sacrificed his life for help. Now we can see here how he helped to the lesson. Okay? Listen here. Paropakari. What's the meaning? I said Paropakari? Benevolent. Means one who help others. Now listen the lesson. सरस्वती नदी के शांत और सुंदर तट पर एक आश्रम था. सरस्वती नदी के शांत और सुंदर तट पर एक आश्रम था. Saraswati Nadi, no, river Saraswati, K Sand, K is the connective word. Sand means peaceful, Sundar beautiful, Tatpar means bank of the river, Ek ashram tha. Ek heritage. Can you make the sentence? There was a heritage, bank of the river. There was peaceful and beautiful. The place was peace and beautiful. Okay, in that place, who was meditating? This Tadichi was meditating. सरस्वती नदी के शांत और सुंदर तट पर एक आश्रम था. वहाँ बांधी बांधी के हरे भरे वृक्ष थे. वहाँ, do you know the meaning? वहाँ, there, बांधी different kinds of हरे भरे. What's mean हरे भरे? Green is वृक्ष थे, वृक्ष tree. There was different kinds of हरे भरे. Green is trees were there. उन वृक्षों पर रंग बिरंगे पक्षी रहते थे. ऑन द ट्रीज कलरफुल बर्ड्स वर लिविंग. वहाँ उन वृक्षों पर, वृक्ष मीन्स ट्रीज, वृक्षों पर रंग बिरंगे कलरफुल पक्षी बर्ड्स रहते थे मीन्स लिविंग. ओके, देयर वर लिविंग कलरफुल बर्ड्स ऑन द ट्री. नेक्स्ट, उनकी मधुर आवाज़ चारों ओर गूंजती रहती थी. उनकी मधुर आवाज़, स्वीट वॉइस, द बर्ड स्वीट वॉइस echoes all the sides where the ऋषि was meditating. वहीं एक वट वृक्ष के नीचे बैठे ऋषि तदीची तपस्या में लीन थे. Where was the Muni was meditating? Near the Saraswati river there was a banyan tree. एक वट वृक्ष के नीचे, what's mean of वट वृक्ष? Banyan tree. Under the banyan tree, but he sat. ऋषि तदीची तपस्या में लीन थे. He was meditating under the banyan tree. उनके मुख पर अनोखा तेज था. उनका मुख पर, its face was very bright. When the Indra went to ask help, he was meditating bank of the Saraswati river under the banyan tree. Okay, listen next para. Now he was meditating. Next, Devendra is coming to ask help to him. Listen here. अचानक ऋषि का ध्यान भंग हुआ. अचानक, वर्ड्स में अचानक, सडनली. ऋषि का ध्यान भंग हुआ. ऋषि का is that saints concentration. He lost his concentration. Someone is, we are meditating, someone is standing in front of, we will lose our meditation, is concentration, like that. The Tadichi lost his concentration. अचानक ऋषि का ध्यान भंग हुआ. He lost his concentration. सामने देवराज इंद्र हाथ जोड़े खड़े थे. In front of Devendra, in front of Rishi, the Devendra was standing. How he was standing? Joined his hand and standing. Okay, सामने देवराज इंद्र हाथ जोड़े. हाथ जोड़ना means joining hand. खड़े थे, stood. He stood in front of Rishi with a joining his hand. ऋषि का मुख प्रसन्नता से चमक उठा. When the rishi saw Devendra, he was very happy. ऋषि का मुख प्रसन्नता से चमक उठा. He was very happy. उन्होंने इंद्र तथा अन्य देवताओं का स्वागत किया. स्वागत करना मीन्स वेलकम. स्वागत किया. ही वेलकम्ड इंद्रा एंड अदर देवास. ही वेलकम्ड इंद्रा एंड अदर देवास. इफ एनीवन इज कमिंग इन आवर हाउस, व्हाट यू विल डू? वी विल हेल्प वेलकम, नो? लाइक दैट he welcomed Indra and other devas. So for what they came here? For help they came here. ऋषि विनम्र भाव से बोले. विनम्र भाव मीन्स पोलाइटली. द ऋषि पोलाइटली सेड, बोले, सेड, टॉक्ड. महाराज, आपने मेरे आश्रम आकर मुझे धन्य कर दिया. महाराज किंग, आपने, यू, मेरे आश्रम, माई हेरिटेज और माई आश्रम, आकर, यू केम माई हेरिटेज, मुझे धन्य कर दिया. यू मेक मी ग्रेट. I become great because of you came in my ashram. आइए, what's mean आइए? Please come. आपका स्वागत, my welcome. Please come, I am welcoming you. हम आश्रम वासियों के पास जो कुछ भी है उसे स्वीकार कीजिए. हम आश्रम वासियों के पास जो कुछ भी है उसे स्वीकार कीजिए. Whatever we have in the ashram, you accept it. Ashram vasiyam, what's ashram vasiyam? Ashram vasiyam, what's mean ashram vasiyam? One who is living in the ashram. जो कुछ भी है, whatever we have, उसे स्वीकार कीजिए. स्वीकार करना, accept it. Whatever we have, you accept it. Like that. Who said whom? Tadichi said Devendra. Next line look. महाराज इंद्र यह सुनकर अत्यंत प्रसन्न हुए. महाराज इंद्र, he came for help, so when he heard these words, he was very happy. यह सुनकर, he heard this and अत्यंत, very, प्रसन्न हुए, happy, he become very happy. वे बोले, he said, ऋषिवर, आपके परोपकार की चर्चा तो देवलोक तक है. What he said, ऋषिवर, आपके परोपकार, your benevolence, परोपकार की चर्चा, द आर्ग्यूमेंट, देवलोक तक है. द देवलोक, your benevolence reach, your benevolence reach till devalok. Devalok means till heaven. It reached there. उसकी प्रशंसा सुनकर हम आपके पास एक निवेदन लेकर आए हैं. उसकी प्रशंसा, we heard you, they were praising you, we heard that and we came to you with a request. एक निवेदन लेकर, with a request we came to you now. The Deva said to whom? Deva said to Tadichi Rishi. Now listen, next they are telling. Rishi ने कहा, there is a saint said, कहिए देवराज, टेल देवराज, मैं आपकी क्या सेवा कर सकता हूँ. What help I have to do you? What help I have to do you? इंद्र ने संगुचाते हुए कहा. देवेंद्र, he doesn't like to say because he want to ask his life. So he संगुचाते हुए, he sighed and said, he did not like to say, even he said, ऋषिवर, आप जानते ही हैं कि असुरों के अत्याचार दिन प्रतिदिन बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. आप जानते, यू नो दिस. असुरों मीन्स डेमन, अत्याचार मीन्स क्रूयल्टी. डेमन्स क्रूयल्टी इज दिन प्रतिदिन, डे बाय डे, इंक्रीजिंग, बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. इंक्रीजिंग, द डेमन्स क्रूयल्टी इज इंक्रीजिंग डे बाय डे. देवलोक में त्राही मची हुई हैं. देयर इन द देवलोकम, व्हाट इट इज, त्राही, बचाओ. व्हाट्स मीन बचाओ? सेव अस, प्रोटेक्ट अस. दिस साउंड वी कैन हियर इन द देवलोक नाउ. देवता हर प्रकार से हार चुके हैं, ऑल डिफीटेड बाय द डेमन्स. ऐसे समय में हमें आपकी सहायता की अत्यंत आवश्यकता है. इन दिस टाइम we need your help. आपकी सहायता, your help अत्यंत आवश्यकता है, very necessity. Your help is necessity for us. So we came for help to you. Next class we can see the help, which help he is asking, how he is helping. So I am concluding from this para. Now we can see the meanings. Please learn the meanings. Listen here, page number 8. Meanings, rang birange. What's the meaning rang birange? Colorful. Rang birange, colorful. This meanings you have to write in the booklet and study. Okay? Rang birange, colorful. What's the meaning rang birange, colorful? Swagat, welcome. Swagat, welcome. Next, Vad Vriksh, banyan tree. Vad Vriksh, banyan tree. Nivedan, pray. Here listen, Swagat means welcome. Swagat karna, to welcome. So only given Swagat, so you have to write welcome. Swagat, welcome. Next, Vad Vriksh, banyan tree. Vad Vriksh, banyan tree. Nivedan, pray. Here Nivedan karna, if it is, you have to write to pray. Nivedan means pray. Dand, punishment. Dand words mean dand, punishment. Krur, cruel. Krur, cruel. Astra, weapon. Astra, weapon. Astra, weapon. This word you have to write like this. Istra, astra, weapon. Next, swas, breathe. Swas, breathe. Asti, bone. Asti, bone. Grahan karna, to accept. Grahan karna, accept. You would have understood this. Write in the booklet and study these meanings. And the lesson you have to read. Okay, next class we can see that how he is helping, what help they are asking. Listen, till what we have studied there, there is where he is worshipping, where he is meditating. He was meditating bank of the river Saraswati. Then what we have learned there, when he was meditating, who was coming there? The Devendra and the Devas are coming in front of him. He is welcoming and he is very happy and he is telling we came for a help. That much we have studied. I think you would have understood. Just you read the lesson, then only the reading practice will come for you. You can read well and study this meaning also. Thank you children. Next class we can meet in the next class.